how families can use the Ghana Funeral Services platform. So first, you open your browser just as I have done, and then you type in ghanafuneralservices.com. So once you type in ghanafuneralservices.com, you will arrive on the home page. So you do not need to log in to search for the providers. So as a family looking for funeral service providers, the next thing you do is to navigate to the categories. So on this home page, you can find the categories here. So you scroll down to view the service categories. So once you click on all categories, it will bring you to this page, and you can find a wide range of categories here. So this platform contains more than 50 organized funeral service categories. So the next thing you do is to select the service you need. So here you would click on the category that matches your immediate need. So for an example, if you need a mortuary service, you click on funeral home. So so there is this listing, funeral home. So once you click on funeral home, you will find all the various funeral homes on our website. So there's Gilman and Abbey, Polished Wood, there is T. Crepe and Sons. Also, if you need a catering service, you need to search for the catering category. So as a family looking for catering services to take care of your funeral by providing food for guests, you come here and then you select the catering category. So there are over 30 listings under this category. So you can choose from the various catering services available under this category. So in case you want to contact Flair Catering Services, you click on Flair Catering Services, and then once you click on Flair Catering Services, you'll be taken to their personalized business page. So here you can either call them, you can send them a text on WhatsApp, or you can visit their website. So any of these options will connect you with the business Flair Catering Service. Yes, so here every business under this category has their location. They have their location, they have their phone number, they have their email address, social media accounts, and then their website. So yes, every business listed under the categories has this information. So before you select any of the business, you need to check whether perhaps maybe the provider is located near your funeral venue, and then you need to also check whether they offer exactly what you need, and then also you need to check if all contact details are clear and complete. Yes, you can also decide to go back and then open other providers you need. So for instance, you need a coffin perfume, or you need someone to write a eulogy for you, you select the category. Or perhaps you need a funeral director to take charge of your funeral, you select the category, and then yes, you can find the various funeral directors. Yes, so once you do all this, you can communicate directly with the service provider. Yes, so in summary, as a family looking for services to handle your funeral, you visit ghanafuneralservices.com. Then the next thing is to select categories. You select all categories. So once you select all categories, you choose the needed service. So if you need, for instance, designers to design a funeral banner for you, you select funeral banner, and then you choose from the various design studios available for them to design a banner for you. Yes, so these are the exact steps families looking to book the services of funeral service providers should follow when looking for businesses to take charge of their funeral or handle a particular aspect of their funeral. Thank you for watching.